Hi, what's going on in your life? I know your dreams are huge, massive goals that you've set for yourself. You want to make your parents proud. You want to create a life that shines. But here's a question. Are you really working hard enough for those dreams? The answer lies within you. And most of the time, that answer is no. Let me explain this problem with a simple example. Right now, imagine I show you three different colored water bottles on the screen. I give you just 3 seconds to pick the one you like the most. Done. I'm sure you've made your choice. Now imagine instead of three, I show you 30 bottles, all different colors, all attractive, and I give you the same 3 seconds to choose one. Could you do it? Most people would say, no way. That's impossible in such a short time. That's exactly what's happening in your life. You've got too many goals, too many directions. I'll do YouTube. No, I'll become a doctor, maybe an engineer. I'll do business. I'll do that. I'll do this. You're spreading your time and energy in so many directions that nothing gets done. You can't focus on one thing, and that's why you feel stuck. So what's the solution? To fix this, you must disappear for the next few months. Yes, disappear not from the world, but from distractions. And I'll tell you exactly how in 3 powerful steps. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hi everyone, my name is Rasa. I'm 23 years old, and just a few days ago I received something very special from YouTube, the diamond play button. Yes, the diamond play button. Very few people have it because YouTube only gives it to creators who've reached an extraordinary level. Why am I telling you this? Because I want you to understand something. A few years ago, I was exactly like you. 5 or 6 years back, I was lost. I had no idea what I really wanted. One day I wanted to be an engineer, the next a doctor, sometimes a YouTuber, sometimes something else. I couldn't focus. I wasted years wandering from one dream to another. But then one day, I realized if I want to achieve anything in life, I must focus on one goal. At that time, my focus was my exams. I gave them everything I had, passed them successfully, and later decided to build something meaningful on YouTube. I wanted to teach. That's how my journey began, and today, you already know where I stand. Well, if you're younger than 23, this video could change your life. But only if you apply these 3 steps. Step 1, start small. Let's take a simple example. If I tell you, let's build a building, you'd say, I can't. I don't even know how to start. But if I say, forget the building, just take 2 stones and join them with cement, you'd say, that's easy. I can do that. That's how buildings are made, one stone at a time. When I gave you a small task, you were ready. When I gave you a big one, you froze. That's why the secret is to start small. Never overload your brain with huge goals. Don't tell yourself, from today I'll study 12 hours straight. It won't happen. Start with 2 hours, then 3, then 4. What matters is that you give your best in whatever time you have. Slowly increase your effort. That's how I did it. I started small and then made my goals bigger and bigger. Step 2, mindset. It's all a game of mindset. Let me tell you a story. Years ago, nobody could finish a 1-mile race in under 4 minutes. Doctors and scientists said it was physically impossible. Everyone believed it. But then one man did it. He ran a mile in 3 minutes and 59 seconds. And within days, 3 more people did the same thing. Why? Because the belief that it was impossible had been broken. When one person proved it could be done, others realized it's possible. That's the power of mindset. If you truly believe you can do something, you can. You can stay consistent. You can focus. You can achieve. Stop calling yourself useless. Stop saying, I'm dumb, I'm lazy, I can't make my parents proud. When you fail to meet your goals, you call yourself stupid, Stop that. From today, tell yourself every single day, I am the best, I am consistent, I can and I will. Feed your mind with belief and your life will change. Step 3, don't listen. Stop listening to the world. I stopped listening, and that's what saved me. Here's a story. Once 100 people were given the world's toughest task. The organizers told them every day, this is impossible. None of you can do it. One by one, people lost motivation. 99 failed, but one man completed the task. When they asked him how, they found out he was deaf. He couldn't hear their negativity, and since he never heard impossible, it never entered his mind. That's the secret, don't listen. People will tell you your dreams are too big. They'll say, you're from a middle-class family. You can't achieve that. They told me that too. They'll tell you the same. They'll tell everyone. But you must stop listening. If you've seen a dream, if you've chosen a goal, chase it with everything you have. And remember, when you disappear for the next 30 days to work on yourself, you'll feel lonely. You'll feel isolated. Your friends may drift away. That's okay. Because when you succeed, those same friends will come back. That's the truth of life. People say respect is earned by being good, but no. In this world, respect goes to those who win, those who achieve. It's harsh, but it's real. So work hard, build your name, create your legacy. Remember when you were a kid, you dreamed of doing something great, of making your parents proud. That little kid is still inside you. Now go work for it. Disappear for the next 30 days and prove to them you can do it.